are now tuned in to a Fly Life beat.
Lil Jerry. You are now tuned in to the coldest niggas in this rap shit. Niggas stop me with 100 stop sign. No stone cold, that's the bottom line. I'm in this bitch like one more time. She give me brains, so she better mine. It's Lil Jerry and I'ma shine. If time is money, you have no time. I'm swagging back to back like a rewind. My shoes are just too nice, all the kind. Like Sean White, I be on the grind. Time after time, like clocks in the line. My dreads twisted up like they intertwined. Whoever say they seeing me, bitch they lying. I got a lot of paper, I ain't school supplying. In the air floating, bitch I'm flying. I'm shining like a pharaoh in the ancient Mayan. My money benefit, futurism like science.
With it.
The game need help and I'm the helping hand. Damn, I'm hot, I think I'm getting a tan. I'm the shit, why don't they understand? Bitch, I'm fly like Ben Franklin. I'm about to flip the game like a cartwheel. My flow nasty like an orange peel. Life move quick like an interstate. My money increasing, growth rate. Got time hanging from my wrist, but I had to put it to work, not on my wish list. Killing this rapping shit, it never gets boring. These boys can't get a shot, but I'm outscoring. I'm ballin', my flow sharper than barbed wire. Me without money like a smoke without fire. I'm ballin' with green, call me Larry Bird. These haters talking to me, but they unheard. I think my flow need tutoring because it's too dumb. Tomorrow is another day because it never comes. Success comes once, ain't no round trips. Yo bitch give me knowledge, I guess she got her scholarship.